All right, at least for the time being, here's my final setup for my vacuum. 5-horse rigid. This cyclone thing right here. Hose goes up. Got it hanging off the ceiling onto, that's where all my guitars are up there. Drapes down. Now, interesting. All right. So, let me raise that up. That way I don't have any problems. So, got my damn finger in the way. Sorry. So, you know, I see some videos where people are just moving, they're cutting, and I don't know if the video is in full speed or not, but hey, cut that fast. Yeah, Jeff, and then let's break some bits. So anyway, that's working pretty good for me. So that's the Sweepy Pro. I just put it on. A little bit of a pain in the ass. Not too bad. But I would like to show, wish I had my tape measure handy. It, just in case you don't realize it, now this is $150 for that contraption. And it mounts to the back here, like so. Comes underneath, which means you lose a little bit of your depth of what you can put in here. But I mean, are you really going to be cutting something, I don't know, what is that, 6 inches, 5.5, something like that. Anyway, also, a big fat gap right here. Now, it doesn't really seal up until you get down here. Now, I'm thinking there's probably a sleeve we could put on that thing. Maybe something. In fact, I'm sure I'm going to come up with something. But anyway, sorry, I'm trying to do too many things at once. Raise it up one more time. So in this part on your little sweepy, the one that comes with the machine, it is meant to pop off. This one's screwed on. Now, what I don't understand is why it has magnets on it to pop it on, but they say don't trust that. Make sure you put these little, basically thumb screws, extended thumb screws on there, and I'm like, well, okay. But, you know, if you drop the sweepy all the way down and then raise the spindle all the way up, well, there's plenty of room to change bit. Okay, then you drop your sweepy down like so. Now there's plenty of room to change a bit, so that's cool. Anyway, do I think that thing is worth $150 plus tax? I don't know. Maybe. I'm kind of debating that one, because they have on the regular sweepy. I already put the box away. All right, on the regular sweepy that clamps onto here, they have this part that's, I think, almost twice the depth of the one that comes, the one that pops on with the magnet, for $20. And I don't know, I'm kind of thinking I should have just got that, but you know, now the hose is mounted back here behind the gantry, which it's out of sight, well, not out of sight, but it's out of mind. So I don't know. I made a little bracket here out of an old piece of a framing square, aluminum framing square, because I didn't really have any metal to make a bracket to hold that hose up, because it was obvious it wasn't going to work very long. Just bent over the side, because honestly, this part right here is flexible, and you have to take this off. Again, it's in the box. Anyway, the piece that goes here gets pulled off. You have to unscrew these tracks here, unscrew that piece, and then put this one on, and then, you know, as you can see. But I mean, hey, it's working. So money spent. I haven't cut anything yet, but I'm going to pretty soon. But anyway, thanks for watching. Smell you later.